Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about business risk and financial risk. Question number 2. A company operates at a production level of 5000 units. The contribution is 60 rupees per unit. Operating leverage is 6. Combined leverage is 24. If tax rate is 30%, what would be its earnings after tax? So here asking earnings after tax. First of all, we have to find out EBT, earning before tax. After that, we can reduce tax amount. That's why production level is 5000 units, contribution per unit 60 rupees per unit. What is the total contribution? Total contribution 5000 units into 60 rupees per unit, 3 lakhs. It is the total contribution. After that, we have to find out degree of financial leverage. Degree of combined leverage equal to degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage. Now we substitute degree of combined leverage equal to 24 equal to degree of operating leverage is 6 into degree of financial leverage. What is the financial leverage? Degree of financial leverage equal to 24 by 6. That means 4 is the degree of financial leverage. What is the formula for degree of financial leverage? Degree of financial leverage equal to EBIT by EBT. We already know degree of financial leverage 4 equal to EBIT. We don't know EBIT. EBT also we don't know. We have to find out EBIT. So degree of operating leverage equal to contribution by EBIT. What is the degree of operating leverage? 6 equal to contribution we know 3 lakhs by EBIT. Now EBIT equal to 3 lakhs by 6 equal to 50,000 is the EBIT. Now we have to substitute this one. Degree of financial leverage for EBIT equal to 50,000. EBT we don't know. Now EBT equal to 50,000 by 4. How much? 12,500 is the EBT. Ultimately, we have to find out earnings after tax. Earnings after tax equal to EBT minus tax. So 12,500 minus 12,500 into 30%. We have to deduct tax amount. So how much tax? 3,750. So 12,500 minus 3750, it gives 8750. So this is the earnings after tax. Okay, first of all we have to find out total contribution. After that, degree of financial leverage, and degree of operating leverage to find out EBIT. After that, using financial leverage, we have to find out EBT. Now we have deducted the tax amount. Ultimately, we get 8750 is the earnings after tax. Next, problem number 3. A firm has sales of 40 lakhs, variable cost of 25 lakhs, fixed cost of 6 lakhs, 10% debt of 30 lakhs, equity capital of 45 lakhs. Here given 40 lakhs sales and variable cost also given. Fixed cost of 6 lakhs also given. And also 10% debt to 30 lakhs and equity capital 45 lakhs is given. So calculate operating and financial leverage. First of all, we have to prepare table. What is the sales? 40 lakhs. Less variable cost how much? 25 lakhs. We get contribution 15 lakhs. After that, we have to deduct 6 lakhs fixed cost. Now we can get EBIT 9 lakhs. Interest amount here given 10% debt 30 lakhs into 10%. This is the interest, that means 3 lakhs is the interest amount. Now we get EBT. This is the simple problem.